Hola amigos! In this lesson we are talking about numbers 11 to 20, los números. So the numbers 11 to 20, we're going to go through and just like before, I'm going to call out the word and you guys go ahead and repeat after me. And then the second time through, we're going to go through and spell out each word and then we'll review them again and then we'll do the review together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so let's go back and we're going to write these out together. Number 11 is once. O N C E. Once. And if you remember that there's a little trick about the letter C, when it comes right before the letter E or the letter I, what does it sound like? Does it sound like a k, k or a s? It's like a s, like an S. So if the letter C comes right before the letter E or I, it's going to be pronounced like the letter S. So it's once. 12, 12, 12. D, O, C, E, 12. 13, 13. T, R, E, C, E. And there it is again. The letter C comes right before the E, so it's pronounced like an S. 13. Number 14, 14, 14. Once again, it's pronounced like an S because it comes right before the E. 14. But this C sounds like a K sound or a regular C sound because it comes before the letter A. 14. So let's spell that out together. C A T O R C E. 14. Number 15, 15, 15. And do you remember that we talked about how the Q and the U are like glued together, that they make one sound? Like this, the sound K, K, like K. So 15. So the Q and U are together. That sound is together. 15. So let's spell that out together. Q, U, I, N, C, E. The number 16 is 16. 16. And what that is, if you wrote it out, it's these words together. In Spanish, 10, the number 10 is D-I-E-Z. E, which that by itself, the letter Y, just means and in Spanish. 10 y 6. And if you remember from our last lesson, numbers 1 to 10, 10 is 10, 6 is 6. So literally, 16 is just 10 and 6. And they change the Z to a C and the letter Y to an I and combine it all together. So 16 is 10 and 6, which is 16. So let's write that one together. 16. D, I, E, C, I, S, E, con acento, with an accent, I, S. 16. 17 is 17. 17. 10 and 6, so 17. And let's spell that together. D, I, E, C, I, S, I, E, T, E. 17. Number 18, 18. 18. 10 and 8, 18. And let's write that out together. D, I, E, C, I, O, C, H, O. 18. Number 19, 19. 19. D, I, C, oops, not C, D, I, E, D, I, E, C, I, N, U, E, B, E. 19. And lastly, number 20. 20. 20. Let's spell that out. B, E, I, N, T, E. 20. Muy bien. So this lesson is numbers 11 through 20. Let's say those together one more time. You repeat after me. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Muy bien. Los números 11 a 20. The numbers 11 to 20. Muy bien. So now let's do the review together. Let's practice our numbers 11 to 20. So the instructions say, I'm going to read it in Spanish, escribe con palabras los números correctos en español. So write the correct numbers in Spanish using words. Okay, so don't just write out the number. We're going to actually write out the words to practice those. So let's count these together. And these are abejas. These are little bees. Abejitas. Okay, so let's count these together in Spanish. You can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So it's the number 20. So let's write the number 20. 20. B, E, I, N, T, E. 20. Let's count this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 manzanas, 14 apples, 14 manzanas. So let's write out 14. C, A, T, O, R, C, E. 14. Muy bien. Okay, let's look at this next one. Count these together. And I'm going to count a little bit faster, and you can just listen if you want, or you can try to say them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 17 is 17. Let's write that one together. D, I, E, C, I, S, I, E, T, E. 17. Okay, let's count this one together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Vamos a escribir 13. We're going to write 13. T, R, E, C, E. 13. 13 cucharas. 13 spoons. Okay, let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 is 16. Vamos a escribir 16. Let's write 16. D, I, E, C, I, S, E, con acento, with an accent, I, S, 16. Okay, and this one here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Which one is 11? So over here, number 11, 11. Let's write that one together. O, N, C, E. 11. Okay, and 2 more to go. Let's count these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 huevos. So we have a dozen eggs, 12 huevos, and 12 is 12. Let's write 12. D, O, C, E. 12. Okay, and the last one here, let's count those together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. Let's write 15. 15. Q, U, I, N, C, E. 15. Muy bien. So we did numbers 11 to 20. Los números 11 a 20. And we did the review together. Muy bien.